Hey guys, in this video let us see how to complete a start of care visit for a client. Let us start by scheduling a start of care task for the client. In the workflow, let us select the task to be start of care. We'll leave these details to be unchanged. We'll provide the shift start date. We'll assign Venona as the case manager for this task. Now that we have the necessary details filled, let us submit the workflow. We can see there is one new task under the task section's submenu scheduled. Let us click on it to view the task, which should be the task we just created. To open the task workflow, click on the card. Before we begin capturing the required details for the visit, we are required to complete the COVID screening stage. We will see how to turn off the COVID screening stage in later videos. For now, let us fill the COVID screening form and click submit to move to client screening stage. Now that we have completed the COVID screening stage, let us focus on the client screening stage where we capture the required details from the client. Let us assume that I have filled the required details captured already and completed form filling. Now, before we submit, let us discuss about one of the features Kycris has built to reduce manual errors done while filling the form. In Kycris, we have implemented the OASIS Scrubber, which is used to audit OASIS assessments for clinical inconsistencies, coding inconsistencies, fatal audits, and CMS warnings. This is to ensure that clinicians can correct any errors and maintain accurate OASIS documentation. If there is any error, the validation will fail, and only until the error is rectified, we shall be allowed to move to the next stage. Let us see this in a demonstration. Looks like we have an error in this form. Let us resolve this and try submitting the form again. Alright, we have moved to the next stage. So moving on to the next stage, which is the QA pending stage. Here, the QA person can reject or approve the state of the visit we have captured until now. In case of rejection, the data filling will be re-verified by the clinician based on the remarks from the QA person. For now, let us approve the QA stage and move to the next stage. The next stage is the ready for billing stage. The ready for billing stage is where another feature built in Kycris comes into play, the web pricer. The web pricer is a tool used to assist home health agencies and other interested parties in determining the Medicare payment for a particular episode of home health care. Home health aides may wish to use this software to predict the payment for services they plan to provide, to calculate the payment they will receive for a particular claim in order to accurately post accounts receivable, or to validate that they have received correct payment for a claim upon receipt of their Medicare remittance advice. We can also export the pricer PDF if necessary. To view the PDF, click on this export button. Once we are done with the visit, we can click submit. Clicking on submit marks the end of the visit. To verify that the task has been moved to completed stage, we can click on this completed submenu under task subsection and verify the task displayed under the completed sections.